our firm, we don't do income tax. We pass that on to our sister company that takes care of all of that. And we use TaxDome for sales tax processes. But I like our ability to kind of get in there and create our own processes and pipelines and things like that so that we can tailor it to us.
Exactly. Yeah. So I think that's kind of a common misconception that because the word tax is in the name, but really it's not just for tax accountants, right? So that's actually going to be my next question is kind of what service lines are within your company? What are the processes within your firm? You said mostly focused on sales tax. Is that the main thing you guys do?
Right. We do sales tax compliance. So most of our clients are e-commerce sellers. So some of them sell like maybe solely on Amazon, others sell solely on their own website, and then others still sell on a combination of those two platforms. Even still further complicate that, we also have folks that are local that have a brick and mortar store and they just only do point of sale services or retail sales at a point of sale location. So what we do is we take those clients and we analyze their nexuses, which isn't a term that everyone is familiar with. But basically we evaluate whether they have tax compliance needs in multiple states, one state, multiple states, where and if. And as well as whether the products that they're selling, whether those are services or retail products, are taxable in each state where they may have a tax obligation for sales tax. And so beyond that, we then go through the registration process, getting everybody completely compliant and legally up to date and like that. So we do Secretary of State registrations, certificate of authority sort of registrations, and then we do sales tax registration services. So we register businesses for sales tax licenses and get them all set up and ready to automate their sales tax filing.
And it sounds like you guys are in a great niche because obviously so many people are selling goods online.
Most regular accountants, bookkeepers just really don't learn about sales tax at all. It's not a topic that's covered in depth. You can go to a 4-year college. As a matter of fact, in our sister company, we have one of our CPAs working on her doctorate degree, and she doesn't know the first thing about sales tax. You can't ask her a question about sales tax. And I think that most of that is because a regular CPA, a regular accountant, a regular bookkeeper is regulated in the state where they practice. So they're not required to know the laws, sales tax or otherwise, of other states other than the state where they are practicing. And most accountants, maybe they'll take on your sales tax for the state where they are practicing. But as soon as you say e-commerce, multi-state compliance, they ask, do you have somebody that can take care of that for you? And so that's kind of where we step in on a lot of our clients, where they come to us and they say, hey, I have a bookkeeper, I have an accountant. They have been doing this one state for me where they are residing and practicing, but now I'm developing nexuses in other states and I need somebody to help me with it.